Hello everyone, I am Radhika. Today we are going to learn some AI tools which are going to help you in your YouTube journey. In this video, we are going to talk about various AI tools which will help you in your making of thumbnails, remove unwanted things from your pics, convert your voice into AI voice, use AI avatars for your videos, and many other tools for your image and video editing all at one place. This video is going to be a one-stop solution for all your YouTube needs. But this is just a small part in the world of AI. If you want to learn more about such AI tools, you can join our workshop. Link is in the description.
This Diwali, skyrocket your career by learning AI tools and ChatGPT. I'm going to teach you that. Click on the link below and sign up for the workshop.
Now let's move on to our first and our very crazy tool, which is MetaVoice. If you are someone who wants to make YouTube videos but don't want to use your own voice, this tool is for you. It can convert your own voice into 8 different voices option that is given. As an example, I recorded my own voice and this AI changed it.
This is such a great tool to make YouTube videos without even using your own voice.
This is such a great tool to make YouTube videos without even using your own voice.
So cool, right? You can either record it directly in this website, or if it's pre-recorded, you can upload it and your voice will be changed. And then last step is to download it. AI has changed the way we operate in such a short span of time. We have already seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs has been replaced by AI and what not. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour workshop in which we will teach you all about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. Moving on to our next AI tool, which is Image Candy. It offers a lot of features just at one place, such as image converter, resizing, compressing, background remover, image to PDF, and many more. It offers between 10 to 15 tools, that too in free. Our next tool is Adobe Firefly. It gives us a lot of options to edit our pictures and videos. It gives us a lot of scope for our creativity. Let's explore one of the features that it offers us. It's called Generative Fill. Let's see how it works. For that, we need a picture, but the picture that I want to use has been taken from iOS, so it's in HEIC format. So first we have to convert it into JPG format. For that, I am using the tool which I have talked about earlier, which is Image Candy. It has a tool which helps us convert our pictures into HEIC to JPG format. First I chose the picture and then by clicking on convert, it will give us our final result and we can download it from here. Now we have our picture. Let's upload it in Adobe Firefly and then I am going to choose the option of background. This feature will help us change our boring background into something creative which will eventually help us in making our thumbnails. Just for instance, I am using this prompt, sitting in the middle of computers. You can see it gave the result. You can use any prompts here such as AI robots and any other just like I did here. Moving on to our next tool, which is WonderShare Virbo. This tool gives you a lot of options for your AI avatars if you don't want to make video using your own face. Let me show you a demo how it works. Done. Now this AI will process what I wrote. It took almost 5 to 6 minutes and then the video is ready. Here is the demo.
Hello guys. This is just a demo. This tool can help you gain millions of views.
So amazing, right? Now you can also go ahead, make your videos and start earning. Let's talk about one more such useful tool, which is Cleanup.pictures. As the name suggests, it's a very simple yet useful tool which will help us clear any unwanted things in our picture. Let's see the demo. I don't want this street light to be in my picture. I will just mark it up and here you go. It got erased. I don't want this tree either. Now I'll mark it up also and here you go. You can see the results. Now let's move on to our last tool, which is TinyWow. This tiny AI tool really offers us a lot of features for your edits in PDFs, images, videos, your files. It even has its own AI writer. It offers more than 50 tools within itself so that you don't have to go to different websites for all your minor works. I hope you liked it. If you want to learn about more such cool AI tools, you can join our workshop. Link is in the description. If this video helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more such interesting videos. Comment down your favorite AI tool. I will see you in my next video. All the best.